All right, so we got the assembly pretty much kind of up and out the tank. The next thing we're gonna have to do is pull this metal pin, and our filter is gonna be located right inside of there. So let me get that out. I guess you could disconnect the line, but I think we'll be fine. All right, so as expected, 40K miles. This is the old filter. Huh? Black and ugly as ever. I mean, apparently it was still working. I wasn't really noticing no issues that I could think of, but I mean, yeah. So I would say maybe like every 20,000 miles. So that thing is night and day. Night and day. Night and day difference, y'all. Alright, so we got it all pretty much back together. Gonna pop back in our main fuse here. Boom. And with that new fuel filter installed, okay, that's the next thing I gotta do, go get some gas. Prime it a couple times so it start right on up. And there it goes, new fuel filter installed. Throttle a little bit more responsive. Make it easier to keep it loaded. Preload and keep it loaded when that fuel filter ain't packed. So shout out to Sick Baggers for making the video that I saw. Shout out to everybody in the Facebook groups and community that's been pulling those fuel filters and exposing them. I mean, this is for something that they said is supposed to be changed every 100,000 miles, and we wasn't even at 50. I think it would probably make a difference. So add that to your schedule. Change it out fairly simple. Honestly, that probably changing out that fuel filter took less time than it did to do the radio, or hell, even my lowers. So take the time, do the maintenance, so that, you know, when you're out there on the road, you're good to go. So till the next time, we gone.